Good day, sir. I'm Maria Feli Milana, one of the presenter of our group, which is the Android Kotlin. Kotlin data type is the most fundamental data type in Kotlin is primitive data type and all other reference type like array and string. Java needs to use wrappers for primitive data types to behave like objects, but Kotlin already has all data types as objects. So there are different data types in Kotlin: integer data type, floating point data type, Boolean data type, and character data type. So integer data type contains an integer value. So a whole number, either negative or positive, matawag na nimo siya nga integer data type. Bisan pagdako ang iyang value, as long as wa siya decimal point, integer data type na siya. So integer numbers in Kotlin provides a set of built-in types that represents numbers, sizes, and hence a value minimum. So these four types of integers numbers are byte, short, int, and long. So these four types has a sizes and a minimum value. So example, if your given value is greater capacity or greater value, so you may use long type of integers. So next is floating point data type. Floating point data type used to store decimal value or fractional part. So mo ni siya if your given value nga naa siya decimal point or fraction, mo ni siya imong gamiton floating point data type. Pero na siya duha ka klase ang floating point data type, ang float o ang double. So ang float reflects the single precision and the double provides a double precision. And next is the Boolean data type. Boolean data type represents only one bit of information, either true or false. This Boolean type is the same as in Java. Para sa sinasauna sa Java, ang result na dyan nila mapa true or false na radyo nila dihang duha. So this operation, disjunction, and conjunctions can be performed in Boolean type. Katong duha ka and og duha ka mara si jag L nga forma pero kuana siya to conjunctions. So next is the character data type. Character data type represents the small letter A to Z, capital letter A to Z, and other symbol. Mo ni siya ang nag-represent sa imuhang information. So may umrapod ni siya sa kanang string. And next is arithmetic operators sa Kotlin: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus operator. Next is the example of arithmetic operators. So remember, if you use Kotlin, use val to declare a constant or val keywords to declare a variable. Next, as you can see, the val number 1 equals 12.5 and val number 2 equals 3.5. So ang sa result equals number 1 plus 2, wala siya mo result siya sa 16.0 na sa ubos na. Ang tanan nga arithmetic operators may janggi solve ang addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus operator. So the plus operator is also used for the concatenation of string values. Okay, next. Example of concatenation of strings, like example, val start equals stock is cheap, val middle, show me the code, val end, Linus torvalds. So val result equals start plus middle plus end equals print ln result. Mo na siya if when you run the program, the output will be stock is cheap, show me the code, Linus torvalds. Next is that how arithmetic operators actually work. Suppose you are using plus arithmetic operator to add two numbers a and b. Under the hood, the expression a plus b calls a dot plus b, open parentheses, and b close parentheses, member function. The plus operator is overloaded to work with string values and other basic data types except char plus boolean. Okay, operator for basic types, one is si ja. For string concatenation operator, one string plus other any string. Okay, next is the monisija ang function name, expression, function name niya how to translate to. So, example, a plus b, ang function name niya is plus nga word, then na-translate na siya to a dot plus, open parentheses, b close parentheses. And para na siya sa ubos na tuon na gihapon, nagunsa nga arithmetic operators imong gamiton and use the function name and how to translate to. So, number 2, assignment operators are used to assign value to a variable. We have already used simple assignment operator equals before val age equals 5. Here 5 is assigned to variable age using equals operator. Here's a list of all assignments operators under corresponding functions. So, manisija expression equivalent to and how to translate to. So, a plus b equals b. So, ang equivalent na is a equals a plus b, and how to translate is a dot plus assign b. And para lagyan po ni siya sa uban o unsa ang arithmetic operators mo igipang gamit. And so, mo ni siya ang example sa assignment operators. So you can see var number equals 12, niya number times equals 5. So comment so ang println ang gipangadyo nga result equals number and equals mag-sign na this quarta and number. So close friend. When you run the program, the output will be 60 because 12 times 5 equals 60. Ang given nga gihatag is 12, then ag number nga ang gihatag dan is 12, then times 5 mo ni siya na result to 60.
Expression. An expression consists of variables, operators, methods, calls, etc. that produce a single value. Like other language, Kotlin expression is building blocks of any program that are usually created to produce new value. Sometimes, it can be used to assign a value to a variable in a program. It is to be noted that an expression can contain another expression. A variable declaration cannot be an expression. Var A equals 100. It is not an expression. Assigning a value is not also expression. And a class declaration is not an expression also. Note, in Kotlin, every function returns a value, at least unit. So, every function is an expression. Let's take an example. Here, 90 plus 25 is an expression that returns int value. In Kotlin, if is an expression. Unlike Java, if is a statement. For example, here, if A greater than B, A else B is an expression. Then, value of the expression is assigned to max variable in the above program. Another topic is Kotlin control structures. Kotlin has the basic control structures you'd expect to find in a programming language, including if, then, else if, else. In Kotlin, if is an expression. It returns a value. Therefore, there is no ternary operator, condition, then, else. Because ordinary if works fine in this role. For loops. The for loop iterates through anything that provides an iterator. This is equivalent to the for each loop in languages like C. Try, catch, finally. Like Java, Kotlin has a try, catch, finally construct to let you catch and manage exemptions. If you've used Java, there's only one new feature here. A try expression is truly an expression, meaning you can assign its result to a variable. While and do while loops. While and do while loops execute their body continuously while their condition is satisfied. So meaning, the execute of the while and do while loops are continue na siya, and then hangtod ang condition ma-satisfied. The difference between them is the condition checking. So, ang while and do while loops na sila'y pagkalahi sa is checking time. While loop checks the condition first, and if it's satisfied, executes the body and then returns to the condition check. And do while loop executes the body and then checks the condition. If it's satisfied, the loop repeats. So the body of do while executes at least once regardless of the condition. Next, it also has unique constructs, including when expressions. Kotlin, when expression is replacement of switch statement. Kotlin, when expression works as a switch statement of other language like Java, C++, and C. So that's all, and thank you. God bless us all.